Welcome to our channel. We are Technic Force and we help grow your business online. Please hit the subscribe button to get more updates. If you open Google Gemini, click Create Image, and select Nano Banana Pro, you can upload any image and paste this prompt. Just replace your name, signature, and phone number, hit send, and within seconds, Nano Banana Pro generates an ultra premium cinematic result. As you can see, it creates a highly realistic, luxury style nameplate with incredible detail. Before we continue, make sure you've watched part 1. In that video, I explained how these visuals are created using simple but powerful prompts. So let's jump right into it. Starting with viral prompt number 2. With this prompt, you can replace the object with anything you want. I use a lipstick as an example, and Nano Banana Pro instantly turned it into an ancient, mythical version of the product. Using the same prompt, I also generated an epic sword, a mystical book, a cinematic watch, etc. And here's the twist. If instead of typing an object name, you upload your own photo and use uploaded image in the prompt, Nano Banana Pro transforms your image into an ancient mythical artifact. Next is viral prompt number 3. So upload your photo, use the prompt, and Nano Banana Pro turns you into a powerful cinematic warrior with dramatic lighting and intense detail. Moving on to viral prompt number 4. Upload your photo again, paste the prompt, and hit send. This one creates a hyper-realistic cinematic scene that looks like you're inside a dramatic movie moment, complete with motion, emotion, and action. Now let's look at viral prompt number 5. Upload your photo and use this prompt. And Nano Banana Pro creates a forced perspective shot that makes it look like you're miniature inside a smartphone. Viral prompt number 6. If your goal is to grow on Instagram in 2026, simply upload your photo, use this prompt, and hit send. And within seconds, Nano Banana Pro generate a jaw-dropping New Year 2026 cinematic visual. Next is viral prompt number 7. Upload your photo and use this prompt to create a bold fisheye street-style portrait that looks modern, edgy, and highly shareable. Now this part is important. If you don't have access to Google Gemini Pro or Nano Banana Pro, don't worry. Just search Gemini Business on Google, click the first result, and sign in with your Gmail. Click on agree and get started. Your 30-day free trial activates instantly. And after the trial ends, you can continue using Nano Banana Pro for free by signing up with a new Gmail account. To start generating images, simply click Try Nano Banana Pro button. Let's continue with viral prompt number 8. Upload your photo, paste the prompt, and replace the celebrity name with any celebrity you want, along with the main text. Nano Banana Pro then generates a professional celebrity style studio portrait. These visuals are perfect for personal branding, profile photos, thumbnails, and premium social media posts. Moving to viral prompt number 9. Just replace the brand name in the prompt. I use Google as an example, and Nano Banana Pro generated an ultra premium 3D metallic logo. So using the same prompt, I also created Apple, Instagram, etc. with realistic reflections and cinematic lighting. Next is viral prompt number 10. Upload your photo and use this prompt to transform your image into a bold, artistic ink style portrait. With viral prompt number 11, simply place the prompt and Nano Banana Pro generates a mind-blowing mixed dimension visual. Now let's move on to prompt number 12. Replace the everyday object with anything you want. I use headphones, and Nano Banana Pro created a massive hyper-realistic monument that looks like it actually exists. So replacing it with a hammer produced a giant hammer monument with accurate scale and cinematic lighting. And if you upload your own photo instead of an object, Nano Banana Pro turns you into a colossal real-world landmark. If you're enjoying this so far, don't forget to like the video and subscribe. Moving on to prompt number 13, replacing the brand name instantly creates a high-energy logo visuals that look sculpted from flowing liquid paint. Now with prompt number 14, changing the brand name generates ultra-premium logos where frozen crystal eyes and flowing liquid merge into one cinematic frame. You can also upload your own photo to turn yourself into an eyes and liquid cinematic artwork. Next is viral prompt number 15. Uploading your photo transforms it into a full cinematic movie poster. And let's move on to prompt 16. So turns your image into a raw graffiti style artistic portrait. Now with prompt 17, Nano Banana Pro creates a hyper-realistic professional social media ID card, making you look like a real brand. Next is prompt 18. So this transforms your image into a powerful conceptual artwork with a burned, torn cinematic texture. Prompt 19 creates a comic book style cinematic character with expansive panels and action scenes. With prompt 20, your photo becomes a high end fantasy movie character. Prompt 21 generates a Hollywood level action scene straight out of a blockbuster film. And finally, prompt 22 creates insanely eye catching product visuals. If you upload your own photo instead of a product, Nano Banana Pro places you at the center of a colorful cinematic explosion. Now, if you've watched until the end, comment which prompt was your favorite and type part 3 if you want next episode. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and see you in the next one. Introducing Calcy, Breakthrough AI Telephony App. Human-like AI telephone agents work 24/7 to land you more sales, appointments, and grow your profits without manual effort. Calcy offers real-time voice for real conversations. Calcy becomes an expert on your business in minutes. Feed in your calling scripts and FAQs. Choose the perfect voice to represent your brand. Speaks to your prospects in any language. Quality and warm up prospects. Book appointments. Create reminders. Conduct surveys. Handle incoming calls. Calcy can do instant calls with custom agenda. Reach global phone numbers. Great for scheduling options. Keeps call transcripts for your review. Calcy can send SMS with purchase links. 100% compliant with cold calling and D&D regulations. Create multiple campaigns for specific businesses and call outcomes. And a lot more. So what are you waiting for? Get Calcy now. Just go to getcalcy.in.